Hello, dear students. Today, our topic is stoichiometric defects in solid state, in which the first defect name is Schottky defect. It is similar to vacant defects. This type of defect is created when equal number of positive ions and negative ions are missing from the lattice sites, so that an electrical neutrality is maintained. Here, mass decreases while volume remains the same. Presence of a large number of Schottky defect sites lowers the density of the solid. Types of compounds exhibiting Schottky defects. Number 1. Schottky defect is shown by highly ionic compounds which have high coordination numbers and small difference in the cations and anions. Number 2. A few examples of ionic compounds exhibiting Schottky defect are sodium chloride, potassium chloride, potassium bromide, silver bromide, and cesium chloride. Number 3. Schottky defects maintain the electrical neutrality of the crystal. Number 4. In sodium chloride, there are about 10 to the power of 22 ions in 1 centimeter cube of sodium chloride, and there are approximately 10 to the power of 6 Schottky pairs per centimeter cube at room temperature. Therefore, in sodium chloride at room temperature, there is one Schottky defect per 10 to the power of 16 ions. Second defect name is Frenkel defect. If in an ionic solid, a smaller ion, generally cations, goes missing from the lattice site and occupies the interstitial site, such that an electrical neutrality as well as the stoichiometry of the compound are maintained. This type of dislocation is called Frenkel defect and also called as dislocation defect. This defect is a combination of vacancy defect and interstitial defect. It is a vacancy defect at its original site and an interstitial defect at its new location. Since no ions are missing from the crystal as a whole, Frenkel defects do not affect the density. Frenkel defects are common in ionic compounds which have low coordination number and large difference in size between cations and anions. Frenkel defects are found in silver chlorides due to the small size of silver ion and in zinc sulfide due to small size of zinc ion. In pure alkali halides, Frenkel defects are not observed because the ions are bigger than the voids. Third defect name is impurity defects. So far, we have discussed point defects. There are no foreign atoms. Foreign atoms can occupy by interstitial sites, lattice sites in crystalline solids. Defects in the ionic solids may be introduced by adding impurity ions if the impurity ions are in a different valence state from that of the host ion. Vacancies are created. Let us understand with this help of an example. Consider crystallization of molten sodium chloride in presence of small amount of strontium chloride, that is Sr2 plus. During crystallization process, some of the sodium ions are replaced by strontium ions Sr2 plus. For every Sr2 plus ion, two any positive ions are removed to maintain electrical neutrality and also creates a cationic vacancy. Similar type of defects and behavior is observed when cadmium chloride is added to silver chloride. Next we shall study about non-stoichiometric defects. The ratio of combining elements in the compound is different from that required by the stoichiometric formulae. The defect which disturb the stoichiometry of the compound are called non-stoichiometric compounds. These defects are either due to the presence of excess metal ions or excess non-metal ions. Non-stoichiometric compounds are of two types. First one, metal excess defect. Second one, metal deficiency defect. Metal excess defect. The solids with metal excess defect contain metal ions in excess to the stoichiometric ratio. Such defect is caused due to anionic vacancies, excess of extra cations at the interstitial site. Metal excess defects due to anion vacancies. In anionic solids, an anion may be missing from the lattice site, leaving a hole which is occupied by an electron to maintain the electrical neutrality. The anionic site occupied by an unpaired electrons is called F centers, where F stands for Farbencenter. It is a German word for color center. F centers are responsible for the color of the compound. This kind of defect is shown by alkali halides such as sodium chloride and potassium chloride. Metal excess defect due to the presence of extra cations at interstitial sites. In this type of defect, metal excess is caused by an extra cation occupying the interstitial site to maintain electrical neutrality. An extra electron also present in some other interstitial site. This defect is found in crystal having Frenkel defects. Example, zinc oxide is white colorless solid at room temperature, but zinc oxide is heated, loses their oxygen and turns yellow color. We can understand from the following reaction. The excess Zn2 plus gets trapped by the interstitial site and released electrons get trapped by the neighboring interstitial site and maintain electrical neutrality. Crystals with either of these metal excess defect contain some free electrons. Hence, such materials are semiconductors. The second non-stoichiometric defect name is metal deficiency defect. This type of metal deficiency defect is created when a metal ion goes missing from its original lattice site. To maintain an electrical neutrality, some metal ion having higher positive charge is added to occupy the vacancies are created in the crystals. As this metal ion has higher positive charge, it will occupy only some of the site to balance the overall charge, and other sites will be left vacant. Example: FeO. In crystal FeO, some of the Fe2 plus ions goes missing. The loss is compensated by the addition of FeO3 plus ions. In this way, the overall charged balanced sum space will be left in the crystals. Thank you.